Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 71. So first, we need to decide from which case we will start to draw this exercise, right? So here a best suitable view is this top view, right? So first we will draw this view in the SolidWorks because each view has all the basic dimensions. If we create this view, we can create the basic shape by creating this view because we need to apply extruded bows 2 times to create the basic shapes. After this, only bottom things, these things will be remain, right? So we can create it after creating this basic shape. So we have a minimum operations here, so we can create this exercise very quickly. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this one. And if you want to download this PDF, we will provide the link in description. Please visit that and download it. Here select top plane, go to sketch, select one circle and go 4 circles like that. It is 24 mm dia. Sorry, it is 24. It is 60. This one is a 43 and this one is a 134. Now select center line and go on horizontal center line with infinite length. Apply OK. Now select vertical and go vertical center line like that. Okay, what is the problem? Yeah, it is. Just close the dimension so we get the basic idea, right? Now select dynamic mirror entity and select this one. Now select circle and draw 2 circles here. Inner one is a 15 mm diameter, outer one is a 23 mm diameter, and the distance between these two is 75. Now select the line and draw line like that. And then select the line and draw line like that. Now select the trim entities and trim this one and this. Doing same here, right? Now select this line and this one and make tangent. Select this line, this one, and make tangent. Select this line and make tangent. Select smart dimension. Diameter of this is 23. Sorry, it is radius, right? So 23 by 2, right? And select again smart dimension. This is 30. Apply OK. So now it is fully defined. Now just remove this one and again select this one. Now select this axis and draw the circle and draw 2 circles here. This one has a 19 mm diameter and this one is 38 mm diameter. Now select smart dimension. Distance between these two is 157. Now select the 3-point arc and go one arc like that. Again select 3-point arc and go arc like that. Select smart dimension. Radius of this arc is 22. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. Select this arc and this circle, make tangent. Now select this arc and this circle, make tangent. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. And radius of this arc is 22. Apply OK. Select trim entities and just trim this one, and this one. Apply OK and exit. Now go to extrude boss and select this one and this one, and it is 22. Apply OK. Now again select boss and select the same sketch. Select this one and here select the surface and select this one, and it is 10 mm. Now select this face and go to sketch. Now select the circle and go one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 94. Now again select the circle and go one more circle here. Diameter of this circle is around 116. Now again select the circle and go one more circle here. Diameter of this circle is 24. Now exit. Now select the extrude boss and select this sketch. Now clear the selection, this one and this one. It is 17. And just remove this one. Apply OK. Now again select extrude cut, not extrude boss. Okay. So now go to sketch 2 and select this one, and it is 2 mm. Right. And apply OK. Now go to solid bodies and select the extruded one, and here select the body and apply this one. And now this is our isometric view. If you like this exercise, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.